In this example, you can see we have a leading coefficient of 2. So what we want to do is we want to divide everything by 2, left and right sides of the equation. So if we do that, 0 divided by 2 is 0. Here we get 1x squared minus 5 halves x plus 4. Now we want to move the 4 to the other side just to get it out of the way. So we're going to subtract 4 from both sides of the equation. If we do that, we get x squared minus 5 halves x equals negative 4. Now, we want to take half of this quantity in front of the x and square it. So half of negative 5 halves, let's just do the work over here on the side. We get negative 5 fourths, and if we square that, negative 5 squared is 25, and 4 squared is 16. So we're going to add 25 sixteenths to the left side of the equation, 25 sixteenths to the right side of the equation. Now, the way we've set this up is this is a perfect square, so when we factor it, remember the trick that we talked about from this last problem, you can just take half of that middle coefficient. So it's going to be x minus 5 fourths, the quantity squared. And then over here, what we're going to do is we're going to combine these into one fraction by multiplying the numerator and denominator here by 16. We get negative 64 over 16. So negative 64 over 16 plus 25 over 16 is how much? Well, let's see, that looks like it's 39. So that comes out to negative 39 over 16. And then all we have to do now is just take the square root of both sides, plus or minus. Remember, as soon as you take the square root of both sides, you get the two answers. Square root of 16, that works out nice. Square root of 39, that doesn't work out so nice, but square root of negative 1 is I. So we're just going to leave this as square root of 39i. Here the square and the square root cancel one another out. We just get x minus 5 fourths. And then what we're going to do is we're going to add 5 fourths to both sides. Remember to put that 5 fourths in front of the plus or minus. Okay. And so now these cancel out, and you can see you get x equals 5 fourths plus or minus square root of 39 over 4i. So I hope this helped you understand how to solve equations by completing the square. Subscribe to the channel, check out some more math videos on Mario's Math Tutoring YouTube channel, and I look forward to helping you in the future videos. I'll talk to you soon.